Introducing aMEEZIEN, a mobile application by KBTI Technologies. Derived from the Dutch word aMEEZIEN, aMEEZIEN app translates to a watch app. Designed as an access portal for communities using a tailor-made cloud-based community security system engineered and installed exclusively by KBTI Technologies. A revolutionary new direction for community security monitoring and access. From residential neighborhoods and apartment complexes to business parks and storage facilities, even public, private or paid parking lots and structures, recreational areas to HOAs and gated communities. The aMEEZIEN app and KBTI Technologies are paving the way for the evolution of security systems in the communities they serve. By encouraging community members to take part in their neighborhood security and inspiring individual accountability by generating a local network of residents, employees, customers, businesses and homeowners, all with a common interest, improving quality of life and creating a haven of solitude and safety, with not just a sense of security, but actual security. All by creating relationships and strengthening bonds and building unity, precisely what it means to be part of and in a community. The aMEEZIEN app by KBTI Tech is a mobile application that operates as the portal for individuals to access the KBTI Tech community security system installed and integrated into every aspect of their community. The Community Security System Monitoring Interface is a cloud-based portal which members are granted access exclusively to their own community. A 3-level verification process is used by a third party to validate and approve or deny each request for access credentials in order to ensure that only authorized individuals and households are permitted. Creating a virtual security net over their neighborhood. With a Community Security Systems by KBTI Technologies, centrally located and strategically placed security camera banks are installed in common areas, parking lots, garages, walking paths, community pools and clubhouses, athletic courts and fields, recreational areas and playgrounds. Perimeter and barrier sensors and monitors are also included. At property entry points, a two-way video conferencing system communicates directly through the aMEEZIEN app, establishing a connection via each user's registered device. KBTI Technologies community security systems consist of only the highest quality, latest and greatest components, KBTI Technologies, and the aMEEZIEN app. Endless possibilities.